Hello kids, today we will draw a bird in our sketchbook. So be ready with your sketchbook. For that, here we will write today's date. Today's date is 1/7/17-2-22. This side we will do our classwork and this side we will do our homework. So write over here capital C dot capital W dot one finger space, write a one finger space capital BIRD, a bird. Now here first we will draw slanting line, then curve, again curve and join over here. Now here we will draw circle for eyes. Here we will draw beak. For that, here we will draw slanting line, slanting line. Here also we will draw curve. Now we will draw legs. For that, here we will draw standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line, again standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line. Now here we will fill the color. First we will trace with the black color. Trace with the black color. Now we will fill green color. Slowly fill the green color like this. Here also we will fill green color. Now here and in here we will fill red color. Now in eyes and in beak we will fill brown color. A bird.